Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Math School Learn to Succeed. In this channel, I'll be teaching you Karnataka Board Class 10th SLC Insert Math. So in today's video, let us solve the question number 1 from exercise 1.3, chapter number 1, arithmetic progressions. So before we begin the video, please like and share my video and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button below to get the latest updates of my videos. The first question from the exercise 1.3 says, find the sum of the following APs. There are 4 parts of the question. They have given us the AP and they have also mentioned the terms up to which we have to find out the sum. Here in the first question, we have to find out the sum of the first 10 terms. In the second question, we have to find the sum of the 12 terms. In the third question, we have to find the sum of up to 100 terms. And in the fourth question, we have to find out the sum up to 11 terms. Therefore, let us take the first part of the question 1 first. So it is 2, 7, 12. And so on to 10 terms. Let us first of all write down the sum formula, which is given by Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. The explanation and derivation of the sum of the n terms formula I have given in my previous videos. If you have not watched that video, please find the link in the description box below or click the I button above. So coming back to this formula, from the question we can see that since they have asked us to find the sum up to 10 terms, then n value will be equal to 10, a value will be the first term of the AP, that is 2, and d is equal to a2 minus a1, that is the second term, minus the first term, that is 7 minus 2, or d is equal to 5. So let us substitute this value in the formula and find out the result. So sum of 10 terms, that is S10 is equal to n value is 10 divided by 2 into a is again 2 plus n is 10, that is 10 minus 1 into d is 5. So that will be, what is 10 by 2? 2 1 times, 2 5 times. So if we substitute in the bracket, 2 2s are 4 plus 10 minus 1 is 9 into 5, or 5 is equal to 4 plus 9 5s are 45. So 4 plus 45 is 49. So 5 into 49 will be 9 5s are 45, 5 4s are 20, plus 4 it is 24. So it is 245. Therefore the sum of the 10 terms is 245. Therefore let us write down the sum of 10 terms of the AP of the given AP is S10 is equal to 245. So let us solve the second part of the question now, that is minus 37 minus 33 minus 29 up to 12 terms. So let us write down the formula, that is Sn is equal to n divided by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So from the question, since we have to find out the sum of the 12 terms, so n is equal to 12, a is equal to the first term, that is minus 37, and d is equal to the a2 minus a1, which is a2 is minus 33 minus of minus 37. So minus into minus will become plus, so minus 33 plus 37. So after subtracting, we will get 4, and plus sign comes for the 4 since the greater number is 37. Therefore d is equals to 4. Now let us substitute the values. S12 is equal to 12 divided by 2 into a is minus 37 plus, what is n value? 12 minus 1 into d is 4. So 12 divided by 2 is 6, because 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. Now let us multiply this with a minus sign. Plus into minus is minus. 7 2s are 14, carry 1, 3 2s are 6, 7. Again here plus 12 minus 1 is 11 into 4. So this will be 6 into minus 74 plus 44. So subtracting minus 74 and plus 44. So 4 minus 4 is 0 and 7 minus 4 is 3. Minus sign will come here since the greater number is minus 74. Therefore we will get 6 into minus 30, or if we multiply this, minus of plus into minus is minus, 6 zeros are 0, 6 threes are 18, that is minus 180. S12 is equal to minus 180. So let us write down the result. Therefore the sum of the 12 terms S12 is equal to minus 180. So this is how we solve this problem. Now coming to the third part of the question, that is 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 and so on. So we have to find out the sum of 100 terms. The formula for the sum is given by Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So what is the n value from the question? Since we have to find out the sum of 100 terms, so n is equal to 100. A is the first term, that is 0.6, and d will be a2 minus a1. So what is a2? That is 1.7 minus 0.6. So 1.7 minus 0.6. So 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. Since the greater number sign is plus, so plus will come here. So d value is equal to 1.1. So let us substitute in the formula. So S100 is equal to 100 divided by 2 into A is 0.6 plus 100 minus 1 into D is 1.1. So what is 100 divided by 2? That is 50 into what is 2 into 0.6? 6 2s are 12, 2 zeros are 0. Decimal point should come after one digit, so after 2 we put the decimal point, plus 100 minus 1 is 99 into 1.1. So what is 99 into 1.1? Well, let us multiply. 1 9s are 9, 1 9s are 9 into 1 9s are 9 and 1 9s are 9. So 9 plus 9 is 18, carry 1. So 9 plus 1 is 10. So one digit decimal point will come, so it is 108.9. So this will be 50 into 1.2 plus 108.9. So let us add this value, that is 1.2. So 9 plus 2 is 11, carry 1. 8 plus 1 is 9 and 10. So again carry 1 will come here. So 1 and this 1 will come down and the decimal point will come here. So this is 50 into 110.1. Multiply with this number again, 0.1 into 50. Let this 0 come here because 0 into anything is 0. So 5 ones are 5, 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. So the decimal point will appear after one digit. So after this 0 we are adding the decimal point. Therefore the result is 5505. Therefore S100 is equal to 5505. Therefore the sum of 100 terms of the AP is 5505. Now coming to the last part of the question number 1, that is fourth part, is given by 1 divided by 15, 1 by 12 and 1 by 10 and so on. We have to find the sum of 11 terms. So let us write out the formula for this. So Sn is equal to n divided by 2a plus n minus 1 into d, where since they have asked us the sum of 11 terms, n is equal to 11, a is equal to the first term, that is 1 by 15, d is equal to a2 minus a1, so that is a2, 1 divided by 12 minus 1 divided by 15. So let us find the LCM of 12 and 15. So 12 comma 15. So 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. So further this cannot be factorized since there is no common cofactor for 4 and 5. LCM is 3 into 4 into 5. So that is 4 3s are 12 and 12 5s are 60. Therefore we got the LCM as 60. So 12 5s are 60. So 5 will come here minus 15. How much are 60? We will get 15 into 4, we will check. So 5 4s are 20, 4 1s are 4, 5 6. So 15, 4s are 60. So 4 comes here. So what is 5 minus 4? It is 1 divided by 60. So D value is equal to, so D is 1 by 60. Now let us substitute this value in the sum formula, which is given by S11 is equal to, what is N? 11 divided by 2 into A is 1 by 15 plus N is 11 minus 1 into D is 1 divided by 60. So let us simplify this. What is 11 by 2 cannot be further simplified. So 2 divided by 15 plus, so 11 minus 1 is 10 divided by 60. So 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, or it is 5 1s are 5 6s are 30. We will get here it is 11 divided by 2, 2 divided by 15 plus 1 divided by 6. Now let us find out the LCM for 15 and 6. So it is possible with only 3 table. So 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6. It is 5 3s are 15. 15 into 2 it is 30. So the LCM is 30. So 11 divided by 2 into 30 is the LCM. So if we take 2 divided by 15 is equal to 30. So 15 2s are 30. So 2 2s are 4. So 4 plus, again we have 1 divided by 6 is equal to 30. So 6 into 5s are 30. 1 5s are 5. So this will be 5. 11 divided by 2 into 5 plus 4 it is 9 divided by 30. Can be simplified now. 3 10s are 3 3s are, so 11 into 3 is 33 divided by 2 into 10 is 20. Therefore, so sum of the first 11 terms is equal to 33 divided by 20. So this is the result. So if you have any doubts, please comment me below in the comment section. In my next video, I'll be solving the question number 2 from exercise 1.3. So till then, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.